Are you an overreactor?
You may not think so, but that's what you're doing if you don't fix impairments in your cable plant until after your customers call to complain.
Wouldn't it be better to be proactive and fix problems before the customer ever notices?
Now you can be, with Pre-Equalization Analyzer from Zecorum. Pre-Equalization Analyzer is a proactive network maintenance tool that lets you find and fix upstream impairments in your network before they affect your service. How does it work? DOCSIS Pre-Equalization compensates for upstream impairments, giving your customers a better experience. Then, Pre-Equalization Analyzer lets you see where those impairments are so you can fix them before they impact subscribers. You'll clearly see which modems are compensating for impairments in your upstream plant and how bad the impairment is. You can even drill in to see different correlation groups that show you which modems are being affected by a common impairment. Armed with the information in Pre-Equalization Analyzer, you can easily determine if the problem is in a subscriber's home, or at the drop, or further out in the plant, often zeroing in on the location within just a matter of feet. It's kind of like having a test probe in every cable modem or set-top box. You can even overlay your own digital strand maps to make it even easier to locate the cause of the problem. And our SpectraVision feature uses full band capture to display the downstream spectrum for all data and video channels, automatically alerting you to common downstream issues like suckouts, roll-off, tilt, standing waves, adjacency, peaking, and FM noise. Our optional upstream analyzer can be accessed from the same interface, which lets you monitor the return path spectrum passing through the CMTS on a PC or mobile device without the need for any expensive equipment. That's not all. Our mobile app checks the quality of the install to see if everything looks good, and it creates a birth certificate of those initial readings. You can also assign work orders to a technician that are sent directly to their mobile device, and they can report back through the app when repairs are completed. You can even see where your technicians are in the field with our Where's My Truck feature, which uses the mobile app to plot the location of each technician's truck on our map. So what are you waiting for? Stop reacting and stop treating your customers like network probes. Get proactive with Pre-Equalization Analyzer, and you can fix upstream issues in your plant as part of your routine maintenance. You'll significantly reduce operational costs and improve subscriber experience. To learn how you can try Pre-Equalization Analyzer for free on your network, give us a call or go to zecorum.com.